In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident setting up and sending professional invoices directly from your Go High Level account. Let's start from inside your Go High Level dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Payments. This is where all your payment-related tools live, including invoices, products, and transactions. Go ahead and click on Payments. This will open up the Payments section and load the Invoices area by default, or you may see a tab at the top for invoices that you can select. Once you're on the Invoices page, you'll notice a button near the top that says New or Plus New. This is your starting point for creating a fresh invoice. Click on that button. A small menu or drop-down will appear, giving you a few choices. From that list, choose New Invoice. This tells the system that you want to build a brand new invoice from scratch, instead of using any templates or other payment options. After you select New Invoice, you'll be taken to the invoice creation screen. This is where you'll fill in all the important details. Typically, you'll see fields for the customer or client, the invoice date, due date, and invoice number. Make sure you select the correct contact from your list or type in the new client's information accurately, because this is who will receive the invoice. Next, you'll add line items for what you're billing. This might include a product, a service, or a package. Enter a clear description, the quantity, and the price for each item. Take a moment to double check your amounts, any tax settings, and the total at the bottom so everything is correct before you move on. If your business requires specific notes or terms, such as payment policies or late fees, look for a notes or terms section on the invoice and add that in as well. This can help avoid confusion later. When you're happy with all the details, go to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see options to either save the invoice or send it. If you click Save, the invoice will be stored in your system so you can review or send it later. If you're ready for your client to receive it immediately, choose the